everyone, and welcome to week 2 of our class, where we will be discussing chapter 16, the history and influence of systemic internalized privilege and oppression. So to start, you're going to drop down the week 2 module, and you're going to click on our week 2 overview, and that's where you will find this video, this week 2 overview video. After the week 2 overview video, the textbook is linked. This is just chapter 16 of the textbook, which you are encouraged to read. And then after reading the textbook, the PowerPoint is the next thing that is linked, which you can click on. And there we go. It'll open, and it'll open to, I'm trying something new. It'll open to this page, and then you'll just click on make a copy. And then it'll make your very own copy of the PowerPoint, which you can do whatever you would like with. You can write on it. You can add your notes to it if you want to. You can print it out. When you make a copy, after you make that copy, you can do whatever you want with that PowerPoint. And then after the PowerPoint, we dive into the week 2 mini lecture, which is a video of me explaining the PowerPoint. Then after that, I've also provided 3 videos on what is privilege, power, privilege, and oppression, and power culture in class in early childhood education. So I do encourage you to watch all 3 of these videos. They're under 5 minutes each, and they're going to help your understanding of the information and material for this week, as well as they're going to help for your reflective practice 1, which we will get into soon. After the additional videos tab, I just have a reminder here that your 2 replies to discussion 1 are encouraged to be done by this Sunday if you've not already done them. And our first reflective practice will be this week, and it's about historical and current perspectives. Right here, you have the purpose and the objective that it is aligned with. The how, which is read chapter 16 of the text and then answer the following questions in 3 separate paragraphs. So your answer to question A will be in 3 separate in 1 paragraph. Your answer to question B will be in a 2nd paragraph, and your answer to question C will be in a 3rd paragraph. And remember that paragraph should be at least 3 sentences. Generally, they should be about 5 to 8 sentences. And we are asking you for your first paragraph to summarize the history of systemic internalized privilege and oppression and the negative effects of it, and to include how this has influenced perspectives on diversity and inclusion. For your 2nd paragraph, we are asking you to share your perspective about the current beliefs towards one of the target groups mentioned in the chapter. And for the 3rd paragraph, we're asking you to share what are 3 things you can do as an early childhood professional to make society more inclusive. And you could do these in your classroom, you could do this in your day-to-day life. Yeah, just making things more inclusive and reflecting the diverse society we live in. Please relate this back to the mini lecture, the text and/or the additional videos given. And remember that we are doing grade goals. So if you want an A, you have to complete 6 out of 7 reflective practices. And to complete it, that means you need a check mark. And if you want a B, you have to complete 5 out of 7 reflective practices. And if you would like a C, then you have to complete 4 out of 7 reflective practices. And remember that if you do complete a reflective practice, you will see a check mark. If it is incomplete, you will see an X, and you will get 1 opportunity to revise it. If you scroll down even further, you will see our rubric, and I will fill out this rubric for each of your reflective practices. And if you get an almost there, that means that it will be incomplete, and that is what you need to change in order to earn a complete. Let me know if that makes sense and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. We also, if you don't know how to submit to Canvas, there's a video tutorial. And then moving on to our last thing is the checklist, our weekly checklist, which is to watch the week 2 overview video, which you're doing right now, the chapter 16 mini lecture video, the week 2 additional videos, and to view the chapter 16 PowerPoint and make a copy of that. And then from there, you can do whatever you would like with the PowerPoint. And then to do is to read the chapter 16 in the online textbook, to make sure that you have your discussion one replies to at least 2 classmates. It's encouraged to be done by Sunday. And then that reflective practice that we just went over. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just want to chat, we love talking with you guys. It's hard being online. It's fun being online, but also hard because I don't get to see you face to face. And I love that face-to-face connection. So, like I said, just want to chat. You have questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to contact us. And that is it for this overview video. I hope you have a wonderful week, and bye.